The VH202 personal vortex heater is designed to circulate heat specifically around your personal space using vortex technology, making it perfect for tabletop or under-desk use. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price. The VH202 features 2 heat settings and fan-only mode to provide comfort even on temperate days. Advanced safety features such as tip-over protection and automatic safety shut-off system provide worry-free use. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price.